Well, I think it's time to change that. Get that flue out of there, at least, Kay. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
All right, I'm gonna go get a screw gun. And
Do you want to show them what you're up against?
let's go. Oh. So we took the fireplace out, and we haven't really addressed that on video too much, but we're not putting it back in. That means I've got to fix this. So we've taped it up when we done it, and it's not been leaking or anything, but we've got a piece of sheet metal, and I'm gonna pull this one off and put a whole new sheet in here, which is gonna stick out like a sore thumb. But we're really considering cleaning this roof all up and painting it anyway. There's a few different options on how to do that, and I think we're pretty sure we're going to do it. Paint it a different color. But for now, we got a green piece of sheet metal to put there. So I'm gonna go get my screw gun and buzz this one off. So that's the job for the day. It's December 30th, and it's a pretty nice day. Airplanes are out, enjoying the weather. So
The snow is gone.
snow's gone. It was all white out here yesterday, and wind was really cold. And anyway, that's the plan for today. So this is what it's looking like in here. We've got some sheetrock to repair around it where it has leaked in the past. I don't know what we're going to get into back up in there, but the main thing today is just to get that sheet metal outside changed, and then we can start dealing with this. I don't want to do anything here until that's done. So, and we've got it laying right there. And there's Lisa. Alrighty.
It's kind of like Missouri roads.
Yeah.
Up and down, up and down.
Yep. Let's see. I was talking to a road grader operator one time. His name was Vasky Humphrey. He said, I was just grading that road back down there, and then somebody come running out and said, don't cover that hole up, my neighbor lives in it. That's what he said. That's how deep the holes were. They had a neighbor living in one.
That's pretty good.
That's his story.
And he's sticking to it.
Yep.
Okay.
So I'll have to ask my brother-in-law about that sometime.
Yeah, you will.
I think I'm ready to go up there and unscrew that other piece. Okay, we're gonna, that flange was leaking down the lower side there and running down this and out on the shingles. Seems to be dry down inside there. So we're gonna leave and let this dry up, go back inside and make a patch for this hole and put it in from underneath, and then come back up here and put a piece of metal over it. That's all dry. I think we just need to let that insulation fall, and then we'll re-insulate with that rock wool back up in there.
I think you need to put a mask on.
Lisa?
You already have a cold. You don't need to add to it. We could put a,
globe type deal, yeah. It could be like a turret.
Yeah, that's what I was
It'd
thinking.
be a little bigger though.
Yeah, you'll get that in your eyes and you'll... Put your mask on.
I guess.
Never gonna get him raised.
Thank you.
You'll have to do like
Dick and Jane?
yeah.
I can't do that. Damn it!
There's a lot of dust you're sucking up. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I thought about a mask.
Yeah, me too. You had a great idea.
Making me want to go to sleep.
Is it?
Because it sounds like my CPAP machine when I'm breathing.
Does kind of sound like that.
I got a notion of stopping there because I'm going to get my other tool. This is glued.
Oh, okay.
See, that's it.
Yeah.
Well then. Look at that, would you? That is damp down here.
I wondered about that.
It's not rotten, but it's wet. I just wonder if maybe I ought to put that metal on and just leave this for right now. And let it dry.
You're saying don't put that in there yet because you don't know whether that's going to dry out or...
Well, it would just let it air up in here better and stuff. But
yeah.
And I'm wanting to build some other stuff in here and put up against it, but I don't want to with that damp. So let's put the sheet metal on and leave this to dry.
Okay.
Okay, we're back out here. Brought a broom. I'm gonna sweep this off. We're gonna just put that metal over this right now and come back and fix that. We're gonna let that have a chance to dry a little bit. There's some moisture on that piece of plywood there, so, but it all come from this area, so this will let it dry out. Just to go ahead and put this sheet on and then leave it for now. So that is the plan. Got everything up here and ready. Okay, there it is. Let's scrub it. I don't know if that could ever be cleaned to look right again or not. Anyway, there it is for now. We may pull it back up. I don't know when we fix that. We'll have to see, but we're gonna call that good for today on this deal. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this mess up and quit on this for the day, but that's the way we're gonna leave it for now and let that all, that's kind of wet. You can kind of see down on that lower side. I'm gonna let that dry out good and see what we have there, and then if it seems solid enough, but we'll probably let it dry and then put this truss back together some way and strengthen that up and get a board back up in there to seal that hole and take care of all that when that's in better shape. So that we've got it dried up anyway. That was the main thing for today, and to get the sheet metal used up. So anyhow, we're gonna get out of here. You got anything to say?
Nope. I'm glad that's fixed.
Yeah.
Looks better.
It's better than it was.
Yeah.
We're gonna get out of here and we'll catch you than next time. Thanks for coming along.
Happy trails.